But I mean, really nothing cool about riding a Triumph. Yeah, big ack, thumbs up. Anyway, so whilst we're poodling through a little town, just a very quick chat with regards to our friend we've just met up with. Lives down in Bideford. I went out for a ride to, quite frankly, I've got no idea where we are, but we're halfway between Bideford and Land's End. But the reason why I want to quick chat with you about Andy is because he's got 1200 GS, bastard, and I've got bike envy, and I got up close and personal with it. He even offered me to have a test ride, take it for a blat, and I was like, I can't do that, it's a bit cheeky. But yeah, Ack wants a new bike. Ack now wants a GS. Can't afford a 1250 GS, quite frankly, can't even afford a 1200 GS. Yeah, yeah, bike envy, not good. Are you gonna make some progress, Mrs. Ack? And I've just realised, went up beside Mrs. Ack and I said to her, you're gonna make some progress, and we don't have the intercom on and she can't hear a damn word I've just said. Oh, goddamn Ack, you're so goddamn clever. It's scary. Joy, caught at the lights. Mrs. Ack's gone straight on, I think. Christ, this is probably why I'm going to fucking lose her. Brilliant. Oh, brilliant on many different levels. Stop laughing. Oh, she waited, bless her. Oh. Stop laughing! I'll take that's third exit. So if we're going on the third exit, why are you in the left lane? That's why. Go on, down the middle, woman. Down the middle. Go on, quickly. You can go. Come on, come on, come on. Jesus. Talk about poor timing.